If you make between $70,000 to $100,000 a year, how much of a house could you actually afford? Is it $250,000? $350,000? Even more? The answer surprises a lot of buyers, and it mostly comes down to one number that lenders review. It's called the debt-to-income ratio. I'm Jon Taw, mortgage broker, powered by Edge Home Finance. Our team services 49 states, helping families across the nation get into the home of their dreams. We're partnered with over 140 lenders and with over 400 products. So that means we can fit you with the right product to make sure that you get into the best situation for your family and yourself. So let's get into the video. I was recently working with a buyer making about $82,000 a year. They assumed that they could only afford about $250,000, $250,000, because that felt like a safe number. After reviewing their finances, right, lenders actually were comfortable closer to $340,000. The reason might surprise you. They actually had very little monthly debt, which gave them more room in their debt to income ratio. So today, I want to show you how lenders actually calculate that number, the debt to income ratio video. The income math. Mathletes, get your pencils out. The first thing lenders do is convert your annual salary into a monthly income. So, for example, Alex earns $70,000 a year. That's about $5,833 per month before taxes. If someone earns about $100,000 a year, that's about $8,333 per month before taxes. Mortgage approvals are based on monthly income and not on the annual salary. Think of it, when you have a mortgage, you're going to be paying monthly. If you're renting, monthly. So that means they're going to calculate based on what you can afford monthly. And this is where lenders begin calculating affordability. So the question is, what is that number that lenders are always looking at? The debt to income ratio. The debt to income ratio, you say, is often called DTI. Simply measures this: how much of a monthly income goes towards the debt payments. Many lenders prefer your total monthly debt obligations to stay somewhere around 36-45% of your income, although that can vary depending on the loan program and your full financial picture. So let's use a simple example. If someone earns $6,000 per month, lenders may review a total monthly debt level somewhere around $2,100 to $2,700, and that includes costs like mortgage payments, car payments, student loans, credit cards, personal loans. All of those count together. So you have the question, how does debt change buying power? Great question. This is where buying power can actually change very quickly. So imagine with me two buyers earning about $80,000 per year. Buyer A has no car payment and very little debt. Buyer B has $500 in car payment, $300 in student loan, $150 in credit card minimum. That's $950 already counting toward their debt ratio. Because that difference, lenders may review a lower maximum mortgage payment for buyer B. But it's the same income, but it's very different home affordability. So your monthly payments do matter. So, what's the typical ranges, you ask? I'll tell you. For many first-time buyers earning between $70,000 to $100,000 per year, lenders may review a home prices somewhere around $250,000 to $400,000 or more. So that range depends heavily on your existing debt, your credit profile, your down payment, the loan program, very special, very necessary. This is important for mortgage brokers. The interest rates at that time. That's why two buyers making the same salary can qualify for a very different home price. Remember, they're earning the same income, but they're qualifying for a very different home price. Here's something many buyers don't realize. Sometimes paying off one debt, like a credit card or a personal loan, can improve your buying power dramatically, more than saving for additional money for down payment. This is because lowering that debt improves your DTI, your debt to income ratio. Hey, don't worry. If these numbers feel confusing, that's completely normal. That's okay. Most buyers aren't taught how lenders actually calculate affordability. But once you understand income, debt, DTI, estimating your potential home budget becomes actually much clearer, don't you think? In the next video, I'm going to show you something just as important: what your monthly mortgage payment actually looks like. This includes your taxes, your insurances, and many costs that many buyers don't expect. If you're a first-time buyer and want better understanding of your numbers and what lenders actually review, I created a free first-time home buyer guide that explains the entire process step by step. Or if you'd rather have it sent to you via text, text GUIDE to 469-281-5866. And if you would like help in reviewing your personal numbers and estimating what your monthly payment might look like, you can schedule a strategic review call in the link below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.